This is for my 2020 Ram 3500. The lights are really, really bad. I'm gonna do right now, just look at, this is daylight. The lights are terrible at night. I got the Q3 CAN bus LED headlights. I have these on my 96, but an older version. These are LED. So this, we're just gonna do it. It's apparently really, really easy to do the low beams because there's a little spot which I'll show you. But I'm gonna put these on my brand new, for me, 2020 Ram diesel. Love my truck. Now apparently this is all I need. I just gotta, it's not very good, you're gonna see, but I'm gonna use this tool to get at the low beams. Okay, basically, just pull that out, and look at that, we got a little spot. To get in there, get that little, and you got a little, let's see what we got in there. See, we got a little spot there. So now we pull off this dust cover, and now we're just gonna pull it out. This is what comes out. It's the halogen bulb, and we'll put in the LED. Here's my new lights. These are kind of cool. This is made for my 2020. So here's the new one, LED. Here's the old one, halogen. Now we just gotta get back up in there, put this in the headlight, and we just have a simple connection here. So it's very, very, very simple. So the kit's got just amazing. It's just got like very simple. Let's install them and let's see how it goes. The video really doesn't show it well, but it's extremely brighter than before. 2020 Ram with the new LED.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.